Hey Bear Bull traders, Robert H here. We're in a live trade right now. CGC, booty reversal breakout. Just exiting my last shares at this daily level, 3180. Should be hitting any second. Anyways, so CGC, huge gap up like 40-50%, and it just sold off all day, as you can see in the 15-minute chart. We traded it at the open, a little VWAP reversal, caught a little move, and then the thing just flushed and sold off. A lot of people in the chat caught that. This was a pretty decent reversal looking thing, but as you can see, it didn't get anywhere. This is what I was talking about yesterday, guys. This is the booty reversal breakout. So if you look, this is some sort of a wedge, right? The top, it remains relatively level, but the lows, they get higher and higher and higher until the whole thing consolidates to a point, right? And on the sometimes on the 5-minute chart, it'll do a similar type of formation like this. Even on the 1-minute chart to a lesser extent, but not this. This is not an example of that. So, anyways, it's doing that, right? And if you see this hammer is so large, it looks like a high heel almost. It's like a stiletto. And then the consolidation happened for so long, it was almost like one of those Aladdin shoes. But anyways, once we got that new 15-minute high, that's when I went long here at 30.45. And I think a lot of people in the chat were waiting for the same move because we're all watching this stuff now, which is great. And that coincided with the new 5-minute high as well. Coincided with some sort of a flag formation on the 1-minute chart, and all the momentum just came in. Look at this. Look at the volume, right? Look at the volume 3 times previous. Look at the volume coming 2 times previous. Everyone's watching for this. I don't know what other people are calling this, but this is the booty reversal breakout in our community. So it just ran up. I just started scaling out. Probably took profit too soon, but lunch hour is approaching. You can't really trust these things during the lunch hour. So took some off here at 31.30, which came from the daily chart, this level here, the day it IPO'd, the high. And now we're about to hit my last exit, 31.83. I don't know where I got that from. Yeah, this consolidation area here. So yeah, that's the strategy. Sometimes, sometimes a 15-minute reversal, it doesn't look that great, and it doesn't always work out, right? That's why I'm saying when you get in these things, it's okay to get out when the momentum dies. You don't want to put your stop down here and just pray, right? Sometimes you get in on the high, the candle goes, and then it dumps, makes a new 5-minute, just get out, right? There's always other opportunities. Sometimes these things pan out like that. Anyways, I've killed enough time. I'm out. 31.80. It's a $1.40 move. Wicked trade. See you guys tomorrow.